Here's a quick excerpt from the recipe for confidence and success. Faith is what makes real the things we hope for. It is proof of what we cannot see. Hope and faith are similar, yet different. They're kind of like sisters to the same mother, success. The faith that I'm referring to in this chapter, chapter 2, here has a major time component to it. The point of this is having faith that if you apply all the principles consistently over time, you will get the desired outcome, or the recipe will lead to the final dish. It's basically the bake time on the cake instructions. You don't mix all the ingredients together in the bowl, and then bam, you have a cake. And you can't apply one or two of these principles just today and expect to have your dreams. That is wishful thinking. That is not faith. So have faith. Love you. I'll see you at the top, so I'll see you real soon. I think I did that backwards. I'll see you at the top, so I'll see you real soon. God bless.